How do you book technology? It's really easy. Let me show you. First, you need to go to our webpage. Once you are there, choose the Library tab. All the way down on the left-hand side, you will see Technology Booking. You have two options. You can choose an iPad cart or a Dell cart. We have 2 iPad carts and 2 Dell carts. To book the iPad cart or the Dell cart, you need to choose the yellow circle. If you choose an iPad cart or a Dell cart and the times that you would like are unavailable, try the next one. They might be available. Let me show you an example of how you would book a cart. Let's say I would like Dell Cart 1. Choose the yellow circle. You have the option of tabbing through weeks on You Can Book Me to see what is available. Each of these times matches our 7 periods of the day. The times are not exact, but they fall within the time period of each class. If you book the cart for 4th period, you can choose this time and you can keep it your entire 4th period class. Let me show you an example of how you would book. Let's say I wanted the cart for 1st period. I would click on 1st period and fill out the form. Enter your first name, last name, Alvin ISD email, and choose the duration of time that you would like to book the cart. The drop-down box will give you the option of booking in the morning up to 3 hours and 40 minutes, which is 1st through 4th period. Unfortunately, having a lunchtime in You Can Book Me means that you would have to go back and book for the second half of the day if you would like the cart all day, meaning you will have to make 2 appointments to reserve the cart for an entire day. Once you have your appointment times and your information filled in, click Confirm Booking. Once you click Confirm Booking, all of your dates and times will be completely blocked on You Can Book Me. On the day of your booking, you are responsible for the cart. If you booked the cart for 1st period, then the cart will be in the library in the morning. You can come and get it. If you booked the cart in 7th period, it is your responsibility to return the cart back to the library at the end of the day. We do not deliver carts in between classes. So how do you know where the cart is if you booked it and you need it during the day between different periods? It's really simple. All you have to do is click on the calendar icon next to the technology that you booked. Since I booked Dell Cart 1, I would click on the technology calendar next to it to see the location of the carts. This tells me who has the cart and on what day and what time. As you can see, on Monday the 20th, Miss Jones has booked the cart for the morning session and the afternoon session. She has the cart all day. If this was not the case, let's pretend I was booked here in the afternoon, I could easily look and see that Miss Jones has the cart and I could go get it. If you choose to send a student to go get it, just go over proper procedures of pushing the cart down the hallway and being extra careful because the cart is very heavy. Hopefully, this will make booking technology easy for you. Remember, the technology is your responsibility. It is very important that you check the cart when you get it and that you check the cart when you are sending it to the next location. Check for keys, check for broken screens, check for hinges. Make sure that the cart is kept in very good order. Be an eagle and soar when using the technology carts.